Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore an incredibly exciting and magical journey, from the production of car batteries to the assembly of a complete Mercedes car. Are you curious about what awaits us? Let's dive in and discover. Let's go! Our journey begins at the state-of-the-art car battery manufacturing plant, where precision meets innovation. Follow us inside and witness the magic unfold. Every great journey begins with the first steps. For us, it's the raw materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Look at that! The workers are welcoming these precious materials with bright smiles. These raw materials are carefully refined and processed to remove impurities. Everyone is working with joy and enthusiasm, ensuring only the highest quality materials are used. Some even hum their favorite tunes while working. Once refined, the materials are stored and meticulously labeled for the next stage. Organization and precision are key to maintaining high standards. Now, let's move on to the crucial stage, the production of battery cells, the heart of every electric car. Did you know that even a tiny speck of dust can affect the quality of the batteries? That's why the production environment must be impeccably clean. Look at these advanced machines. They're working with the highest precision. But did you know that behind every piece of advanced machinery are passionate people with constant smiles? Someone just told a joke, and the whole room is filled with laughter. The assembly of battery cells is a highly technical process involving layering, coating, and precise alignment. It's like building a miniature power plant. The battery cells are then assembled into modules. These are crucial pieces in the big picture, and every step brings a little joy. Can you imagine assembling these pieces like putting together a Lego set? Each module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our strict quality and performance standards. The modules are then combined into complete battery packs. Every stage is a testament to teamwork and coordination, and the joy of creation and completion is evident on everyone's faces. Before moving to the next phase, each battery pack undergoes a final inspection. With the battery packs complete, they are carefully transported to the Mercedes assembly plant, where they will become the heart of luxury vehicles. At the Mercedes plant, the major components like the chassis, engine, and other systems are meticulously assembled. Workers are full of enthusiasm, even joking that they're assembling a speed monster. Are you excited to see what happens next? One of the most critical steps is installing the car batteries into the vehicles. This process requires precision and care to ensure the car operates efficiently and safely. The workers are discussing and laughing as they complete this vital task. Aren't you curious to see how they do it? Skilled workers continue to assemble smaller components like the interior, electrical systems, and exterior details to complete the car. They work efficiently and know how to create a fun atmosphere. The interior assembly is where luxury meets precision. From the plush seats to the state-of-the-art infotainment systems, every detail is meticulously crafted. The exterior assembly brings the car to life with vibrant colors, sleek lines, and a glossy finish. Each car is a masterpiece, ready to hit the road. After the assembly is complete, each Mercedes undergoes rigorous inspections and tests to ensure maximum quality and safety. The testing phase involves multiple procedures, from safety checks to performance and durability tests. It's about making sure every car meets the highest standards. Sometimes, small adjustments are needed. Workers discuss the test results and make precise tweaks to ensure perfection. With final approval, the cars are ready for shipment. Each car is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and joy of the entire team. From the initial raw materials, through the intricate battery production and the meticulous assembly of the Mercedes, we've completed a wonderful journey. Thank you for following along with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more exciting videos. Let's drive into the future with joy and excitement. Our journey may end here, but the adventure continues on the roads. The dedication and passion of everyone involved make each car a magical creation. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Love you all.